Hi traders, want to know the perfect indicator combo that'll supercharge your trading in no time? You've come to the right place. Let's keep it simple and easy. First, open the TradingView. That's the platform we're using. Next, you get to pick any chart or time frame you want to work with. For this example, we'll be going with the 5-minute time frame for the gold price chart, which is shown as XAUUSD. Feel free to follow along to choose your own. Just remember, the strategy works for any chart or time frame, so don't sweat it if you prefer a different one. First, we're going to add an awesome indicator called Simple Buy Sell Indicator. Here's how. Go to the indicator section on TradingView, find the Simple Buy and Sell Indicator and add it to your chart. Now, we need to fine-tune some settings to make the most out of this tool. Don't worry, just follow along and you'll be good to go. So, let's open up the indicator settings and tweak them together. It's easy peasy, I promise. Now let's break down how this indicator works in simple terms. The simple buy sell indicator creates these colored columns on your chart to help you spot buy or sell opportunities. You'll notice white and blue columns popping up on your chart, and here's what to look for. When you see the first white column appears after a bunch of red colors, or when no columns were there before, that's your green light for a buy signal. Now for sell signals, it's pretty simple. You're looking for the first red column that shows up after a bunch of white or blue columns or when there were no. So let's make sure you've got the hang of this. We'll look at some examples together to help you spot those buy and sell signals like a pro. Sure, you can make money using just one indicator, but why limit yourself? The real secret to success lies in combining multiple tools to create a killer strategy that'll skyrocket your profits. Now I know you're eager to hear about the second amazing indicator, but let me share a helpful resource first. If you're looking for top-tier trading signals or just some expert advice, join our TradeGenius Telegram channel. We've got your back. Alright, let's get back to the second indicator. It is called the 10 and 1 different moving averages. This bad boy contains a bunch of moving averages, making it super powerful. Here's how to add it. Go to the indicator section on TradingView and look for the 10 and 1 different moving averages. Once you find it, just add it to your chart. Now, we need to make some important tweaks to the settings. Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow along as we adjust the settings together. This indicator is like a Swiss Army knife for moving averages, so you don't want to skip this step. Alright, with the new settings, you now see 3 moving averages on your chart: the SMA 300, SMA 145, and EMA 45. These will help you spot downtrends and uptrends more easily. Here's how to read them. If the EMA 45 is below the SMA 145 and the SMA 145 is below the SMA 300 and the price is lower than all 3 moving averages, you've got yourself a downtrend. And if the EMA 45 is above the SMA 145 and the SMA 145 is above the SMA 300 and the price is higher than all 3 moving averages, you're looking at an uptrend. Alright, sometimes you'll notice that all 3 moving averages are all tangled up like spaghetti on your chart. This usually means the market is in a sideways or ranging market. When this happens, the price might bounce around above and below the moving averages without a clear direction. During these times, it's essential to be extra careful when trading, as the market doesn't have a clear trend. Just think of it as the market taking a breather before deciding whether to go up, down, or continue sideways. Remember, recognizing a sideways market can help you avoid potential losses and make better trading decisions. Keep an eye out for these tangled moving averages. Alright, let's talk about the exciting part: how to jump into trades, get out of them, and manage your risk like a pro. We'll go through each step one at a time. Let's break down the steps for entering a buy trade in a simple way. For the first condition, look for the white column on your chart, which is a buy signal from the simple buy-sell indicator we discussed earlier. When you see that white column pop up, it's a good sign to consider buying. And for the second condition, make sure there's an uptrend in the market by checking the moving averages. Remember, an uptrend means the EMA 45 is above the SMA 145 and the SMA 145 is above the SMA 300, with the price staying above all 3 moving averages. So, once both conditions are met, you can go ahead and open a buy trade with confidence. And to protect yourself, set a stop loss for your trade. Choose one of the moving averages as your stop loss level based on the market conditions. So if the market turns against you, the stop loss will automatically close the trade and will limit your losses. And aim for a profit target that's 1.5 times the risk you took on the trade. For example, if your stop is 20 pips away from the entry, set your take profit 30 pips away. Now let's go over the rules for sell trades. For the first condition, watch out for the red column on your chart, which is a sell signal from the simple buy-sell indicator we talked about. When you spot that red column, it's time to think about selling. And for the second condition, double check that there's a downtrend by examining the moving averages. A downtrend means the EMA 45 is below the SMA 145 and the SMA 145 is below the SMA 300, with the price staying below all 3 moving averages. So if both conditions are met, you can confidently open a sell trade. And to set a stop loss for your trade, pick one of the moving averages as your stop loss level. Considering the current market conditions, the stop loss will close the trade automatically if the market moves against you, helping you limit potential losses. and aim for a profit target that is 1.5 times the risk of your trade. For example, if your stop loss is 15 pips away from your entry, set your take profit at 22.5 pips away. And as we wrap up, don't forget to check out the recommended video for more awesome tips and strategies. Keep an eye on our latest content for valuable insights to boost your trading success. Happy trading and see you soon.